fuck was that? I'm gonna go check it out. There he goes. How y'all doing? Welcome back to Ridgetop Survival. I'm Squirrel. Now what you just saw was a test of the TripWire Alarm System that I have. You can buy these on Amazon for about 25 bucks. How it works is it's a spring-loaded system. You lift it up, arm comes out and sets on this little ledge right here, and it's pointed at the bottom here, and it strikes a primer. Now this primer's already been struck. Go ahead and dig that out of there. What this is muzzle loading primer from Federal. And all I use is fishing line because it's hard to see. And how it works is move the arm. It's just that quick. It strikes it, makes a boom, scares away the bad guys. I got 2 of these, and it's all metal. You can actually take these apart and clean them too. There's a hole right there. Just take it out of the hole, take all the tension off the spring, pull it all the way out. You just completely disarmed it, and you can clean it up. And then all you gotta do to put it back together, push that back through. There you go. Easy as that. I like these pretty well, and next time me and Coyote go out camping, we're definitely gonna be using these just to see if we can hear anything, you know, a squirrel coming by, or hell, even somebody else. I do have some live ones here. Keep in a little pill bottle because I don't want to carry the packaging in my bag. This is a little harder, and I can keep it from getting punctured. But there you go, just like that. About it. That's all for this video. Y'all have a good one.